Right then folks, another little story for the day. This is a lovely old house, goes back to the 17th, 16th century. We're in the cellar again, and notice here we've got a blocked entrance. You can see the lovely soil pipe going straight out the back through a hole in the wall, and the hole has very conveniently been blocked up by Bodget Builder with a vent. And you'll notice that, in fact, if you look there, you can actually see there's that much condensation. It's actually the water dripping off the electrics, so the timber's not very happy. If you get down inside the main cellar and you look at some of the roof here, you can see the gorgeous 17th century beams. They're all carved beams with chamfers on them. Absolutely beautiful work. Those gorgeous beams, just wow. And they're all hidden up in the cellar. Only problem is, oh dear, and what we've got here, I think if I show you a little bit more. It's not very happy. You can see this. We've got dry rot. It's Christmas time. All this dry rot mould, fungus, and the timbers in here are not very happy. You can see this is completely rotten, this timber. Not at all happy. All of this is rotten. Dry rot everywhere. All over the insulation. And it's especially bad in the corner. Water all over the place. And again, if you look there, a blocked entrance. If this thing will try and focus on it. There we go. You can see the entrance, that's the brickwork of the other entrance, all blocked. So there's no ventilation in here at all. That's where the slate would have been. Food and salted meat. And a bit of rotten timber that's come from that beam there. Again, you can see the dry rot. So why is this dry rot in here and what's going on? Well, of course, there's no ventilation. You can see there's been an entrance there. If this thing will focus again. There we go. And that entrance has been blocked up. Those entrances there and in there are blocked up, so there's no airflow at all. And there is actually a slightly more convincing, damp sniffer dog, more convincing reason for all of this as well. And if we go out the back, there's the back elevation. And I think you can see by looking up there, I don't know when that came apart, but if you then look to the bottom, you will see this horrendously wet, manky, wet, horrible area. Not very nice at all. And the blocked up cellar vents there. So this area is saturated with water. There's another blocked up one there. And then here you can see the top of the door. That opening there, that brickwork that you're looking at in the middle of the picture, that's the top of the door. and another drain, which I don't think is a problem. I think that one's all right. So the house downstairs has got a lot of problems. A little bit more here. You'll see that I've been taking off cement pointing, and where we've taken the cement pointing off, the lime pointing behind it is quite damp. That'll now dry out. We've got original Georgian colours to the lime wash, these lovely sort of creamy, yellowy cream Georgian paint, and a slightly damp brick that is now drying out because we've taken all this horrible modern plastic paint off it. So again, remove the modern rubbish, remove the cement pointing as we've done up here. You can see I've taken a wide strap of modern pointing off it, and the wall is starting to dry out where we've taken that pointing off. It's a huge house, but it has now got some problems. I think we've got other bits and pieces we need to be looking at too. We've got a gable parapet there that doesn't look very happy, but we'll sort that one separately. But there you go. So a damp cellar and dry rot, and the reasons for it being actually no more than a broken drain, and for the want of a person to go in there and sort that drain out, we've got an entire floor in there that needs to come up and be re-timbered. So it's pretty shambolic, isn't it? And this is the state of working on old buildings, and just the lack of understanding of these old buildings and how to look after them. I'll show you a bit more inside. I'll do another video.